Do you want to watch video?
Today we installed a separate 866 host for the magotan, which originally came with a vehicle networking module. We replaced the networking module, which is the original factory model. And now it supports online maps, online audio, and an online entertainment system. We also added a wireless charging pad. Now that the magotan 866 is installed, let's take a look at its performance. How do we turn it on? First, it supports video playback. And voice control. Hello, Volkswagen. Turn on the air conditioning to 16 degrees. The current temperature is already at 16 degrees. This is a wireless CarPlay interface, which is very smooth. It supports Spotify Music, Google Map, Waze, and other music app. This is the Map app, which is a dual navigation map. Scan to confirm login, and the account login will be successful. Then there's online traffic, online maps, and an app store, all of which can be downloaded. If you are interested in that and you want to make your car smarter, please check the top comment.